Hello, lovely people. So, this is quarantine style. And because during this whole session of quarantining, sometimes you forget what today's date is. So, this is our lovely neighborhood. And it is the first, no, it's the last Friday of April. Oh my gosh. I totally forgot. Today's the 24th of April. And, I'm out here with hubby. We're just quarantining. And this is me. Hi, everyone. And we're just enjoying this beautiful view. Such a lovely, lush, green, rainy, and sunny day. A mix of both worlds. Kind of what we've been experiencing. Normal life, we don't know what that is anymore. This is quarantine style. So I'm just enjoying this beautiful gazebo. I'll let you guys get a full view of my view. And just loving every moment, trying to take it all in, enjoying it. We just had a little walk, and we're gonna head back home soon. Just getting some fresh air, quarantine style fresh air. And I hope you guys can really hear me, but I just hope that you all have a wonderful, blessed, lovely, lovely, lovely rest of your weekend. And you just be good to yourself. And my favorite month is on the horizon. Enjoy the last Friday in April. Be blessed, folks. Bye. Quarantine style.